Alright, I'm back. We got the little heater on this morning. It's like 45 degrees outside, but I only really work on this car on the weekends. During the week I'll do little stuff, but I really don't dig into a whole lot. So last weekend we tried hooking up the wires and see if we can get the fuel pump and the starter to turn on or kick on. And I got the fuel pump wouldn't kick on, the one that's in the tank. It's an Aeromotive, I think 340. Too big, but I couldn't hear it and I couldn't feel it vibrate. I hooked up my factory pump to the wires and it kicked on. So I'm going to have to drop the tank, which annoys the crap out of me. But here in a second, I'll kind of show you the wires and start removing the tank. I'll show you that. So here's the factory wires from the C100 201, I think, plug going down there. I did take the starter off the engine. Had the battery set down here just so I could hook everything up to it. Those are the factory computer or ECU plugs over there. I had those draped all the way through the driver's seat here over to the computer that's over on the passenger side. And I'll show you more of the wiring later in a different video, but I'm going to crawl under here and start removing the tank, and I'll kind of show you what it takes to take the tank out, or how I'm going to do it. It's going to be a little easier for me, obviously, because most of my stuff's new. Alright, so I'm under here. Here's the tank. There's the harness for the fuel pump and your fuel gauge. And I disconnected that and hooked that up to my factory pump, laid it on the ground here, and it kicked on. So I'm going to have to remove both of those panhard bars, the two straps, and drop the tank. And it's usually not as easy as you think it would be. So I'm going to start removing these bars. There's 3 bolts there, obviously the bolt here, and then on this side I got the lowering plate there. This is meant to so you can run your exhaust over the top of this a little easier. I didn't know which direction I was going to go with the exhaust at the time. I may dump it right before the axle, actually. I don't know yet, but here we go. Alright, these 3 are 15 millimeter, these 19 millimeter, same with the other side, so we're going to take these bars off. And also don't forget to undo your fuel lines. Of course, I've already replaced mine with 6AN. I think I may take that little filter thing and move it way up. It's kind of annoying hanging way down there like that. But yeah, there's 2 straps up there. There's a bolt there. Bolt on the other side up there. Those are 13 millimeter. So yeah, and then these straps, they're just like 2 pegs in here. I wish I could get my lighting better. They kind of just swivel up and down, but you got to turn the strap left or right to get them out of there. And you can see how mine's bent from in the past. It's kind of a pain in the rear end, but we'll see. Alright, here's our little contraption. Yeah, push that corner of the tank up as high as you can, turn that thing, and it might come out if you're lucky. As you can see, it's coming down on the passenger side, and it's going to come out here first so you can get the filler neck to come out of the hole over on the driver's side. So it's going to come out this way, and then you got to pull it towards me on the passenger side to get the filler neck to come out.